Okay, hey everybody, it's me, your host Carter. Last time you saw me, I was building the Spider-Man set right there with the web. If you look at it from the outside. But today, I'm going to show you this. And my brother is really excited to come and see you, so he's gonna come and see us. You say hi. Well, that's my brother. Well, I am weird. Well, you see this? Yeah, this comes with the set. Yeah, if we just put that there, and this is called the Jungle Half Track Mission. If we this is her car, and if we open this, and we open this, so I'm watching Super Leaders on PBS Kids. So my brother's watching that. Comes with a camera, metal detector, a piece of meat, a machete, magnifying glass, a crate, a truck that carries the crate, this, and guys, I'm gonna go grab something else real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab something else, guys. So, where is it? Oh, where is it? I found. Ow. Okay. I'm okay, guys. This is the toe. Crap. We have this chain I was looking for. And if we just sit that down right there, see how we hook that on right there, and we have this with the crystal in it. We can open that and close it. This kind of slides back and forth, kind of. We have a spider guarding it, and we have a whoopsies. Then we have this hitch. We could hook up to there. And by the way, I did this yesterday, and the Spider-Man one took 2 days to build. Well, this is how, and then we can just bring this wherever we're at. And I'm sorry we couldn't add a jungle background. I'm real sorry. These lights on the truck go round and round, round and round. Lights on the truck go round and round, round and round. What's on the sorry guys, I'm sick since the last time I did this. I just did this. I just started the video when I ended the Spider-Man one, so it's still the same day, so you don't need to switch days, because, that's how it goes. So, I'm gonna make this. It comes with a panther, fireplace, this guy, this girl, this guy. The girl comes with 2 races. It comes with a scared face and a happy face. And it comes with a panther and the drumstick. You can set right here and it could roar. Mr. But. Okay, that's going to be the end of this video. Goodbye.